Hey everybody, it's March the 11th. The winds in the Midwest has died down. It's sunny today, not too cold, 50 degrees Fahrenheit, and I'm gonna go fly my drone today. So I'm here at this field. It's actually a park, a metro park as they call them. And this is where I'm gonna fly my Parrot Anafi. Hi folks, like I showed you a little while ago, I'm at a field or a park, a metro park that I'm gonna fly my drone around. And for a while, I've been looking for a small, powerful, portable drone. And the Parrot Anafi is the drone that I like so far. Again, this is my first flight. So, again, I don't have a lot of experience with it, but I like the fact that it's compact and it's reasonably priced. Most of these drones are $9.99, you know, the Maverick Air, the Maverick Air Pro, all of these different facets that DJI have. And Parrot put out a nice drone. It's a 4K drone. It's two axle gimbal, but it's very stabilized, and the video is just as great as any other video. That's what I was looking for. Reasonably priced and a powerful drone that is very portable, that I can take anywhere and take on vacation. I had the Phantom 3 Professional. I had the unique Typhoon H. So I have several drones, and like I said, I've been looking for a portable one. And hopefully this is the one for me. And we'll watch some video. Let's do that now. much enjoyed it with the Parrot Anafi drone. Nice little bird here. It is very portable, small enough. Here's the case it goes with. Fits in there very nicely. So I like it. So this is how you unfold it. Just flipping out the front arms and then flipping out the back. Very, very simple. Has a cap on front. Battery here. You press down and you slide it backwards. Put it back on. Clicks in. Very nice. Hit that and it gives you an indication of what the battery power is. Here's the controller. Very different and unique controller. As you can see, it's actually folded up. So here's the antenna right here. And you pull that up. Your phone goes here. This expands. Your phone goes right here. And this is your antenna. You point that toward the drone up in the sky. And that's it. One unique thing I like about this, when you open up this antenna, it automatically turns on the controller. That's pretty neat. Great idea. When you're done, you fold it back up and the power goes off. All right, just wanted to show you my Parrot Anafi drone. Again, it's 4K. It can fly about, they're saying 1.5 miles or 2 miles. And I'll do some distant tests on that later on when the weather gets a little bit better and we got a little less wind out there to see how far we can send this bird out. But so far, I like it. And again, you tell me what you think about the video on it. All right, guys, have a great day. And like always, thanks for watching. And if you like my videos and you like what I put out, please subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up for the videos that you watch. Signing off, Cincinnati Clad King. Talk to you later.